Hello everyone. Let's make and read words with digraph sounds. Are you ready? Let's go. Play, play. Let's write the word play. P L A P L A Play. Clay, clay. Let's write the word clay. K L A K L A Clay. Fantastic work. Great work. Well done, everyone. Stay, stay. Let's write the word stay. S T A St A Stay. Grey, grey. Let's write the word grey. G R A G R A Grey. Well done, everyone. Fantastic reading. Great work and writing. Well done. Fantastic. Hello, parents. Please visit my Etsy store where you will find many handmade resources created by an earliest teacher, that is me, to support your child's early reading, writing and math skills. These engaging and educational resources are designed to make learning fun and effective. I will leave the link below. I hope you like it. Thank you for your support. Bath, bath. Let's write the word bath. B A Th B A Th Bath. Moth, moth. M O Th O Th Moth. Well done, everyone. Fantastic job. Great work. Well done. Thin, thin. Let's write the word thin. Th I N Th I N Thin. Thick, thick. Th I K Th I K Well done. Fantastic job. Great work. Amazing. Well done, everyone.